So this is a public park here in Beverly Hills with a fountain. You can see photos like that. The good thing, the camera is waterproof. Look at my brother here. He's running away from me. Look at all these cars. It's really nice. You got palm trees. And then the Beverly Hills Hotel is right there. They have chocolate too. Last time I was here, they were like doing the whole thing. Let me get a shot of that truck. He's running away from me. It's a dog actually. Oh, they got fish too. Check out this. Look at fish. Even if I drop the camera, it's waterproof, so I'm good. Oh, let me get a shot of that. Look at this. Oh, this is cool. This is actually really cool. The fish is swimming with the dog. Let me show you the Beverly Hills Hotel. It's right there. Beverly Hills Hotel. That's the Beverly Hills Hotel. I got a video with my drone too. I flew my drone over this park and over the Beverly Hills Hotel. It's pretty cool. This is on Sunset Boulevard in Beverly Hills. It's a really cool area. So this is the name of the park. Will George Memorial Park, City of Beverly Hills. And then right there is the Beverly Hills Hotel. I will fly my drone too. It's a beautiful area. You can come here and sit. You can come here on a date or something. They have benches where you can sit. You can lay on the grass. I think it's a Spanish rancher who built this place. Yeah, you can scan this barcode right here and give you all the information. Let me try and catch like a fish or something. Oh, I got, look. He's running away again. And you can go, there's a bathroom. Let me show. You can come here, hang out, chill. And then they have a bathroom. So this is like a public park. I think they close at 9. And they have surveillance cameras everywhere here, so it's really safe. And then you have a bathroom here. This is a men's bathroom. And then the other side, of course, you can drink water. They have water. And the other side is, well, it's a woman's bathroom, of course. It's beautiful. Let me get a shot of the palm trees. Okay. This is an afternoon. You see right there, they have servants over there. I mean, if you do some sketchy shit here, they will catch you. The cops will come. They have live cameras here in Beverly Hills. So that's what it is. It's pretty cool. This is the California vibe right here. Beautiful. And it's clean. We got back up there. I left my drone and stuff there. I came outside and I left my drone at even if I run, the camera has really good stabilization. It's pretty cool. I love it. So that's what it is. It's Beverly Hills Will Rogers Memorial Park. Oh, we got a turtle. You see how he jumped? Look, he's running away. Oh, that's it.